Good afternoon, this is Colton with Build Brothers Roofing and Solar doing a digital roof inspection here for a homeowner that is having an active leak due to the big storms that we just had. It's occurring on a low sloped roof on the back of the house, but we're going to point out some issues that I see around this property. First one is we can evidence of wood rot right here. You know, I can put my finger basically straight through that. This is something during a roofing project we'd actually replace. Looks like this is a fundamental area where, you know, gutters overflow and water's getting trapped right here and basically leading to the decay of that wood. We have an architectural asphalt shingle here. Homeowner indicated that it was done in 2004, so we can see a drip edge. This shingle, familiar with it, it's a cliffside gray. It's actually a cool rated shingle, so it's a great shingle, but what we're looking for is any sign of granule loss, where granules start to come off and, you know, we start to see this shingle kind of dehydrate, right? So inspecting these roofs, you always want to inspect sensitive areas such as skylights. You know, we want to make sure these are properly flashed. These ones are in good condition. If we get on this second section, it was an add-on. Basically, they took, you know, this 5 and 12 roof, and now we can see a 2 and 12 roof. Well, low-sloped roofs tend to lead to premature leaking because it doesn't drain water as well. And what's leading to this leak right now? Well, this is all it takes. One singular nail. This guy right here, we can see from the side, you can see an exact access point for water to get in. Now, enough wind-driven rain, heavy rain can actually pile in, and this is where we're seeing the leaking occur in the house. Now, if I actually step on this section, it is very, very soft. I don't know if you can see that, but I can actually see that this wood under here is rotted, needs to be replaced, right? Skylight is properly flashed, is in good condition. You know, a little concern for wind blowing that up there, but it does look good. I'm not seeing any signs of, you know, leaking around the skylight, and I did check the attic as well. These are whirlybird vents. We typically replace these with O'Hagan vents. You can actually see them over there on the neighbors, because these eventually fail due to mechanical issues. Penetrations such as sewer tubes, all the flashings get replaced. Something that the chimney doesn't have, which can lead to premature leaking, is a cricket. Now, a cricket actually diverts water off to either side like the front of a ship. So that's something that gets installed when we do a full roofing project, right? We do have a 10-panel solar system here on the back. Something that Build Brothers can remove and install with our solar crew. With a low-sloped roof like this, we typically use an upgraded underlayment to ensure that it doesn't leak in the future. It's actually a peel and stick, so it's actually rubberized material that adheres to the wood decking and surrounds any nails. So even if you had a nail area like that, it wouldn't leak, right? So on the south side, we can definitely see some signs of granule loss, and we can definitely see it on the edges over here. Professional recommendation is actually going to be to look at a full re-roof of this back section. It's getting to the point where we're seeing granule loss. We have concerns about the chimney. We have rotted wood under there. You know, localized repairs, you know, is only going to be a temporary, or you're going to get leaks somewhere else in the future, right? And that way we can redo the attachment points to the solar as well. So, going to go ahead and present the ideas to the homeowner here.